Hi, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can create or insert a heart in Word. So the first way is to just go up to Insert, along to Shapes, click on the drop down, go all the way down to the heart shape, and then just click and drag out a heart. Now you can, as you can see, make this any shape you like, but if you hit the Shift key, it will just make a perfect heart. Once you've made your heart, you can customize it very quickly by selecting it, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill, click on the drop down and select from any color of your choice. You can also change the outline by going up to this icon here, click on the drop down. You can select no outline or you can select from any of the color choices. So that's the first way. The second way is to go to Insert, along to Icons or Clip Art, go to the search bar under Icons and just type Heart, and then you have a variety of options here. I'm going to select this heart here and click Insert. Once again, you can change the colour by selecting it, going up to Graphics Format, and then along to the colour here, and then you can just hit that red, or you can click the drop down for additional colours. And then once again, you can increase or decrease the size of it. If you can't move it around your document, then right click, go down to Wrap Text, and then select In Front of Text, and then you can move it anywhere in your document. The third way is if we just hop onto the internet, go to this website here called pixabay.com, type heart into the search bar, go to this section here, click on the drop down and select Vector Graphics, and then all of these images you can use for free. Let's select this one here, just click on it, go to Free Download. I'm going to select Vector Graphic and then select Download. Go back to our Word document, select Insert, Picture, click on the drop down, Picture from File, and then I can see my SVG file here, select Insert. Once again, if you can't move it, let's just move that out of the way. If you can't move it, right click, make sure it's selected, Wrap Text in Front of Text. Once again, you can move it and you can customize it to make it bigger or smaller. You can change the colour of this heart, but it does look a little funky. So if I change it to orange, you can see it has changed, but you've lost that graphic detail. The fourth way, back onto the internet, and we'll go to a website called SVG SIL, which is SVG, which is a file, and SIL, which is short for silhouette. Again, go to the search bar here and type in heart, press enter. You can select a colour choice at the top here, so your heart will be downloaded in that particular colour. And then you can just simply scroll down and select a heart of your choice. There is one here that I do like. It's this one here. Click on it, download as an SVG, going back to our file, insert, picture, picture from file, and then we can find our file at the top here, click insert. Again, we can't move it, so right click, wrap text in front of text, and then we can move this anywhere in our document. Once again, you can change the color of this, back up to graphics format, graphics fill, and then select a color of your choice. Now on this menu at the top here, if you can't find the color that you like, go to more fill colors, and then here you have the color wheel to select any color of the rainbow. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.